Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about be fruitful and multiply. This video I did partially, sometimes like start a video and I'm like rest it down right so and then like get the next part and then add on Pantapite and complete the video. I will complete the video with article where we see with Elephant Man. Like on a website named Dancehall Mag. Right, this is how I find it. Anybody say me thief them things. Now you already know, let's add a disclaimer. Right, because earlier I got talk about him 38 Pickney them. Right. After I did disclaimer. Yes, bad mind artist, yes, no bad mind Ellie. So before we go any further, I just want to establish that. Just for the simpletons out here. Right, just to quench them thirst. But this is not just about Ellie, this is a Ironman thing. Right, this is a culture thing. From day one. Right. Now for the things where there are certain topics where like you can't go there, so you can't talk about them people that off limits. And in the early days of the movement I was like, you can't vex if you want to vex. Right, but something can't write there, so. People love to use. See, I was listening to a Muslim speak. Right, doing an interview and he was speaking about the part of the Quran where certain groups use to blow up themselves. Human beings can take anything and turn it any way they want to turn it. One of the things that people take and justify scattering Pickney across the 7 seas is the whole be fruitful and multiply. Telling already said Jamaicans are the fakest religious people on earth. When them go kill somebody, them say, Father God, I hope them walk down the road today. When them see this somebody, when they fire the shot, then they say, thank God the gun never jam. When them bust case after them hold long and rape 15 man, as my walk out of court, them start singing. He set me free one day, he set me free. He rolled the bars of prison for me. Love use this and love use that to justify downright acidity. And clearly destructive tendencies. As I said, I know a man I go cuss. Oh, so look YouTubers to your try say, cause remember say me have 99 Pickney over there, so I know what you try say. What I try say is, no matter how you want to flip it, no matter which mental gymnastics you want to play, and when you want to convince yourself, it simply doesn't help children. It helps you, because you get to boost your ego, and you get to brag how you're Stuller, and you're champion Jackie, and all them things there. But them things that don't help Pickney, it don't help the family, it don't help the community, it don't help the nation. Yes, unfortunately I have to make disclaimers with our assume so people no one for the top of them head, but we get it. People get together and people break up and people divorce and then Pickney go over your son, the father over your son. It's unfortunate but it happen. That's not what this video is about. Me I talk about the scattergun approach. Me I talk about the approach enough Ironman use to try and somehow prove how much of a man they are and to sometimes overcompensate for other things they lack. That me I talk about. People left all the time, let me say, one home suddenly become 2 homes. That's still not good for the child, by the way, but these things happen. You see, Jamaican man they love beat them chests. Oh, and before me going further, just some forget. You woke, send me one more of them warnings, because the video make about the CST Sunday video, or the trafficking. Send me them warnings, them claims say this go against that and to protect children. According to them reasoning, the way how you protect people from the CST is by never ever talking about it. Because when you talk about it, then you go against this and that. So I don't know if them are go, because whenever them do that, it's like them kind of put the video in a little shadow. You know how I go on. But I can look on the analytics and say, they don't put the video in front of as much people as they should. So, them video, when you get them video, sometimes you have to just download all them video and save all them video to your phone. Anyway, the scattergun approach. See, Iron Man them love convincing you say biggest gallus in the world and nobody can tell Jamaican man about woman. Every Jamaican man tell us him a specialist in this, which is ironic considering that the group of men that get the most jacket on earth. As a matter of fact, one of the reasons why Jamaican men get so much jacket is because of the whole desire to prove how much of a breeder they are. I wonder if you now listen to me right now. I wonder if the people from the old days of the movement remember them video there. One of the reasons why Jamaican men get so much jacket is because they are in a rush to claim Pickney and feed them because them want to show you say them a breeder. So when time woman say a your one, him just work with it. Because they can't wait for go tell the man them say, yeah, me breed sitting. That's how people talk about making life in Jamaica now. That's how some man talk about making Pickney woman now. In breed sitting. That's the sitting was referring to the mother well, theoretically the mother of him child, like enough time to feed Pickney. But that's how him see the woman, right? Sitting. Breed sitting. So he can't wait to go up on the corner and go tell the man that. So the woman then figure out, say, oh, you love claim Pickney. Alright, hold them 5 days. Not one of them are female. Enough of this is coming from the inferiority complex enough man have. Right. And again, I talk to the man them now. Right. Sometimes I make me that about woman them, I talk to the man them now. Enough of this is coming from the inferiority complex enough. I tell you about Jamaica. What the biggest illness them in the Iron Man I tell you about. I tell you say it's not the hypertension and the diabetes and them things. Right. Of course those things are real and they kill, but I talk about the mental one them. I talk about the inferiority complex. I'm talking about the Stockholm syndrome. Talking about the low self-esteem, it's rampant. Prescription not cure it. Not cure it. Even at the same article with Ellie, when I was say, as famous as Ellie is, as talented as Ellie is, you can see, suffering from a low self-esteem. Let me read a couple excerpts from the article we see Ellie. It's an elephant man of 38 youth. In 2019, him confirmed him of 20, and since then he gone up by 18. Listen to what him say. Me might ugly and all of that, but the girl them like my bandy legs. Remember me climb and jump off of the something them and the girl them say, no man, me woulda take a lift up from the black boy here. Remember the girl them see the attitude, you know. Start off by saying, me might ugly and all of that. That's how he sees himself. Maybe them used to tell Ellie saying black and ugly. Enough Jamaicans hear that. Elephant man see himself as, you see, tell him say money and fame and hype can't help people, you know. That's how we need to fix on the mental space first, fix on the mind, fix on the meds. Elephant man, one of the most talented artists Jamaica ever seen, you know. One of the most globally recognized artists Jamaica ever seen, you know. Right, enough artists when they claim say bigger than Ellie. Not really bigger than Ellie, you know, they might have more hype locally than Ellie, but around the world, Elephant Man well known, you know. We talk about global hits. When I talk about the man them when they claim are biggest and biggest that who can sell 100 copies and will never go up on that stage and that platform. Elephant Man go up on the biggest stages in the world and it cannot fix his self-esteem. First thing him start off with, me might ugly and all that. That's how him start off. Somebody ask him what him pick them and he immediately goes into what resides in his conscious and subconscious. Enough man like Elephant Man who see themselves as quote unquote ugly and all that, whatever all that means, try to overcompensate by flinging as much seed bag as they can and having as much spitting as they can, because this thing I got demonstrate say, yeah, see it, girl them love me. See, despite this, me can do this. Now let me say this, I don't know about Elephant Man and him pick them. I don't know what kind of relationship I have with them. I'm just talking from what I see. In this article, I'm gonna make sense to nonsense. Elephant Man is a DJ supposed to travel and up and down all over the place. People with 2 Pickney, people with 3 Pickney, people with 1 Pickney and 1 work. We're done 5 o'clock, have it hard enough if you have time for Pickney. Imagine how hard it is when you have 38. And you're a DJ. In the article, Elephant Man addressed some long time rumors that he claims say him have the big A or the big H, HIV. There were rumors back in the day. He addressed again and said, lie them are telling all them things there. I say I'm still there and all that. But then, same article mentioned another DJ, Mr. Lex, say when the news first come out about Ellie and them say Ellie catch this and catch that, he must say it wouldn't even be hard to believe because remember a time when him and Ellie them are par and him tell a story say, and again this is a direct quote, them time there we could have pay for the go them, pay for them night and then take them out of the club. Some pay for like 6 go. End quote. Mr. Lex claimed they took the women to their hotel where they rotated them. Sound like a tire. A Goodyear or Michelin. They rotated them throughout the night. At some point, he ran out of rubber, condom, the boots. He ran out as in Mr. Lex. So to the rotation are going on and too long, them did it the whole night and the amount of girl Mr. Lex run out of rubber. I mean not talk about the type where you sip on your car. He saying go around quote unquote dude door, which is Ellie, knock on him door, he go so boom and push out him head, well a sweat. So Ellie is sweating up. He probably push out him head and say, sizzle, sankle man uncle. Me say, yo, this is Mr. Lex now. Me say, yo, give me a condom then. And I swear to God and all my kids. This is Lex, I said this now. This was his response. He was like, condom? Me not using a condom. Mr. Lex said he was shocked, but claimed Ellie said God was his protection. Elephant Man a rubber dub, the go them the whole night. Who much go them a take turn up past them round and Elephant Man did a rubber dub them the whole night. With no Jimmy hat. As the Yankee them would say. No rubbers. Like told Mr. Lex frightening near the jack down time I said, somebody can brave so, or mad so. Ellie said God was his protection. So it's no surprise. And they have 38 youths. And again, can do him one though. I'm using the story to make a larger point. Can you see that do you want to do there? Have consequences. You can do you want to do, as long as you prepare to deal with the consequences. Elephant Man have 38 youth. Based on the statistics of how much man I get jacket in an Ironman and the rate of jacket in an Ironman, me'd love to know if Elephant Man do a DNA test on all 38. Because that is Elephant Man. And if girl give man Pickney one for them just show them have one work around the road. Imagine when time she knows the Elephant Man the superstar. The amount of woman they probably line up with Elephant Man Pickney. As in touch them on them wrist them pregnant. As in touch them on them back. The year me miss the period and the rubber dubbing don't even start yet. 38? No, here's the thing. Enough Jamaican man we here tell us them have 30 and 40 and 50 Pickney. Enough of them Pickney and enough of them. Because it's an ego thing. This is how enough man get jacket. Because enough woman figure out say, alright, you don't love brag about too much Pickney you don't have. Let me add one more to the list. Yo, me get one next one, yeah man, I breathe sitting again. I'm tell you about cultural attitudes. We're not talking about poverty. You step on the game up, man. Cultural attitudes, because the Jamaican man love claim enough Pickney because it's a sign of vigor. Make him feel more manly. It make it easier for the Jamaican man get a jacket. Watch this again. Because the Jamaican man love claim enough Pickney it make it easier for them get jacket. That makes sense to you, right? No factors in it. That's one of the biggest. Because enough man, when they may say it's yours, them start do all some mathematics in their head and them say, hold on, doctor say how much weeks pregnant? And I when last me get the eagle eye. Hold on, I when me didn't know you. When me go for you so. No man, that can't rhyme. Jamaican man, they meet the woman. This is how enough Jamaican man fool and make the ego lead them astray. The last time they see the woman, right, was September 2021. The woman called them in April 2024. And she said, jacket boss, you know say, I'm pregnant. 3 months pregnant and a year one. The idiot come off of the phone and run down the corner. Yo, me get to the next one, you know. Yeah man, me breathe sitting again, man. The dummy can't even do maths. We ain't glad for claim Pickney. Him don't even take out him calculator and realize I can't feel Pickney that. The last time him see that Likkle eye was March 2014. And the woman called him in February 2021 and say, you know, I come claim a Pickney. Him say, which Pickney? The Pickney me I feel. The Pickney how much? 4 months. Jaja. Alright. Hold on, let me call the dog them. Yo, I have one more now. One more upon the list. Man name fool so till he look bad. Now found a quote unquote serial breeder. We tell people boy your back strong. Juvenile down a year one. 40 Pickney me have and all 25 of them on a theme. Be fruitful and multiply never means scatter Pickney across 7 seas. Where them see a once every 3 months. And again, this part now I'm not talking about alien thing Pickney them. I don't know about alien situation in Pickney them and know after them see them and them see them. I talk about in general now. Be fruitful and multiply don't mean scatter your seed across the 7 seas and the Pickney them see a one day out of the year. When you claim so now follow man from olden days. Or now follow man from this and the African brothers, guess what? When them man they fruitful and multiply, them Pickney there majority of the time under the same roof. That's the difference. And if you're listening to me. When they claim so now follow, how come man of the Middle East, if you have a bag of Pickney, them under one roof. If you have a bag of wife, them under one roof. And a fool know where them use. And a east, west, north and south, St. Thomas, Portland and Trelawney. One roof. The man thing govern different, you have to see if you believe it. If you have 3 wives, the 3 of them live in the same house in harmony. You're a baby mother them, every day them down a station. Man, who can wait for buck up, who run us and who fling this off of who? Having enough Pickney under one roof is not the same as having Pickney scattered all over the place. This has never been a formula for success. The Pickney them I've never met a child who said I saw them grow up and them like it. I have never met somebody who grew up with all of them siblings them scattered across the place and them like it and them see them father like once every 3 months and like that. I've never met a child like that. I've never met somebody who say, no, so I enjoyed barely seeing my father. I've never come across somebody like that. But the man them are going to tell us, say, yo, nothing wrong with that man, it's a warm to you. You don't think already, man. Then them tell us, say, yo, me take your money Pickney them, you know. Oh, the money argument. I know it's all about money. It's all about money. Yo, me look after my youth, them in a dog. Some of the most dysfunctional Pickney I'd ever find wear the cleanest sneakers on them foot. Now for them have parents, but give them this and give them that. But you know you can't substitute time. Unless it's some kind of extraordinary circumstances where the parent have a left go foreign for work or something like that. Enough people in Jamaica live 10 minutes from them Pickney and the Pickney can't see them. 10 minutes down the road, them live all on the same lane and the Pickney All when time them buck up on the Pickney in the bus stop. You ask the parent to walk past Pickney. And I say, yo, walk on there good. And I say, boy, a long time I don't see you. And I say, hold on, then you that. Yeah, man. Hold on, so then I say, you live down there. Yeah, man. So me in a long time I don't see. See, when you can cuss and go on and this little YouTuber go, so come on and cheer bad man, cheer can't 50 Pickney. And cheer to the girl them no like, no, the girl them want a YouTuber, the girl them want artist and scammer. You bad man. Alright. If you say that's how it go. But judge the outcome. Forget about opinions. Forget about all of this. Forget about even the evidence. Forget about the data. Forget about the feedback. Judge the outcome. What's the outcome been for Iron Man and similar societies? So man are beating the chest bout in a man yard on top man. Beat chest bout top man. You know much man out there cut off Pickney cause they new baby mother. They meet girl last week and told them frightened over woman to tell the woman tell them say, yo, well, you have a child? Well, I don't deal with him say, I drop me that man, I don't want the Pickney. Cut out the baby mother and the Pickney. Offend for yourself. Some things me see with Iron Man. You have enough Iron Man where they have 10 Pickney, you know. And him no mind none of them, you know. Him no have no time for none of them. And him no mind none of them. And he meet a woman where she have 10 Pickney. And him mind fear 10 Pickney, you know. You can't make this up. Iron Man they cut from a different cloth. You say you have man we would have 10 Pickney and a business about none of them. And then meet a woman with 10 Pickney. And in my mind, fear 10 Pickney them. All the excuses them have for feeling Pickney them, all of a sudden no exist for fear Pickney them, you know. I tell you, Likkle is one of the most powerful things known to man, you know. But me that just throw the blame. And even if you meet a woman and a woman say, yo, don't deal with your Pickney, and you listen to that woman, sure, that woman is vile. But any woman will try distance a man from him Pickney is a dangerous woman. But the man, spineless. And what of fact, let me take that back. Let me track myself. The male, spineless. Because if you can't tell a woman, say, yo, what do you mean by stop dealing with Pickney? That's my offspring. If you can't tell a woman that, because you're afraid you lose her with your scarcity mindset, that's the height of simpingness. Judge the outcome. It's not working. The scattergun approach. Yes, me know the Pickney might wear Gucci and they might wear the cleanest of clothes and all them things. They judge the outcome. That's why it's enough for your favorite celebrity them Pickney them. Right? Them get much dear clothes and them go much quote unquote big school and all them sitting on the Pickney them grow up just as destructive and dysfunctional as Pickney who are suffer. If I realize that, no from the favorite celebrity them Pickney end up just like the Pickney them, right? Whose parents them are struggle to make ends meet. The rich Jamaican youth, especially the rich Jamaican black youth, end up just like the poor Jamaican black youth. So maybe we need to look past the money and start looking at something else. Anyway, remember, if you can, download the video because I say you put me back in the troublemaker corner again. So, you're not ready. If you can see, if you get a notification and thing there, you know it go. If you see 2-3 days pass, and then you see video drop and I get a notification, then you have to go up on YouTube, go search for the video. Let me say. So I feel them thing and I see them DVD. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.